RadioPRO4 PAC RP4-GM31 Stereo Replacement Interface. 2012 Avalanche, Sierra, Silverado Suburban, Tahoe Yukon vehicles equipped with a navigation radio are not compatible. These vehicles must use the RP4-GM32. Chevrolet Express vans, GMC Savannah vans equipped with diesel engines are not compatible. Navigation ready. Data-controlled accessory and navigation outputs, built-in pre-programmed steering wheel control, SWC retention. Retains factory amplifier. In premium amplified systems only 2 input channels can be used from the aftermarket radio, therefore there will be no fading capability of the aftermarket stereo, provides factory RSE activation. The innovative new RadioPRO4 RP4-CH11GM31 radio replacement interface comes preloaded with amplifier retention and steering wheel control, SWC, software, navigation-based output signals and other features that save time and money during installation. Rear seat audio and video, GMRVD required, retains backup sensors park assist. Top reviews from the United States. Easy installation, works great. Bought this to install an aftermarket radio in a 09 Silverado 1500. I have installed a few radios in the past but had never attempted to integrate steering wheel controls. I didn't care to keep the OnStar option, so the price savings pushed me to buy this model. Setup was super easy. Turn the little dial to match what radio you will be interfacing with, and solder the connections to the aftermarket radio harness. The truck side of the install was plug and play. I will say the new door open chime is kind of an annoying tone, but it works. Would definitely recommend this to anyone with this model truck doing a radio replacement and trying to keep the steering wheel buttons.